Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a store-wide sale in WooCommerce using a plugin called Merchant Pro. So Merchant Pro is an all-in-one WooCommerce plugin that comes with over 40 modules designed to boost the sales on your store. So I'm going to go over to my test site now where I already have Merchant Pro installed, and this is my shop page before I enable anything. So now I'm going to enable the store-wide sale module, and you can see that my trigger is all products and I've set a 10% discount. So now let's go back to my shop and refresh. So you can see now that all of the items in the store are on sale with that 10% discount. Let's go back to our settings. Let's say we don't want all of the products to be on sale. We can choose to exclude some of the products by searching for them, or we can just choose the specific products that we want to be on sale, or we can choose the specific categories that we want to be on sale. Let's say in this case we want the accessories to be on sale. And then we can choose from percentage or a fixed discount. And then in terms of user conditions, you can choose specific users who you want to see the discount, or you can choose user roles. For example, maybe you have a role on your site like VIP customers, for customers who've spent over a certain amount, and you only want those customers to be able to see the sale. You can do that if you like. And then we can schedule the sale to occur during a certain time. So for example, we could start the sale tomorrow at this time, and then maybe we want it to run for a week. So we can set it up like that. And then you don't need to remember to start the sale and then the sale manually. The module will handle that for you. And you can create as many campaigns as you like. You can duplicate a campaign or create each one from scratch. And it is not possible for a product to be double discounted with this module. So let's say you have two sales running and a product could potentially be included in both. Then what will happen is the sale with the higher priority will take effect, but not any other sales you have created. So the discount that has higher priority will take effect, but no other discounts. And you can simply drag and drop your campaigns in the order of priority that you want. So that is pretty much it. That is how to create a store-wide sale in WooCommerce. I do have something extra to show you though, which is how this store-wide sale module works with another one of the modules in Merchant, which is called Product Labels. So I'm just going to go over to the Product Labels module, and let me just show you this sale badge is the default one in WooCommerce. However, you might want to change that. So let's enable the Product Labels module. So first of all, maybe you want to change the style of this badge. So you can see on the right in the preview box, we can do that. For example, if I click save, go back to the shop and refresh, you can see now we have this slightly different design of the badge. And what about if you want to change the text? We can actually use some of these variables here. So for example, we can show the actual discount amount that is being applied. So if we click save and go back to our shop and refresh, so you can see now it's saying 10% off. So the actual amount that we are taking off is being shown on the front end. And to make it look a little bit more realistic, perhaps let's go back to our settings here and let's change this to be always available and click save. Back to our shop. So now only the products in the accessories category are showing as on sale, and you can see the 10% off label like that. So let's go back to our settings. Maybe you don't want to show text. Maybe you prefer to have an image. So we have these pre-made image labels that you can use. Let me just show you this one. And again, I will refresh and it looks like this. You can upload your own image label from the media library. And then we give you these controls so you can customize where in the image it shows with the margin, height, width, and so on. And then for the product labels module, we have different triggers. So right now we're showing products on sale. So you can create as many labels as you want and use different triggers, show them on different pages, different devices. There are really all kinds of things you can do. So for example, you can even have labels on new products. You can define what counts as new on your store. Is it products that are created in the last month or the last week, for example? You can have a label for out-of-stock products. You can have a label on specific products or specific categories, featured products. There are really a lot of things you can do with labels, and they can be a nice way for customers to, when they're scanning your store, get information quickly. One note on this module is that you can create as many labels as you want, but only one label will show per product because we don't want to clutter the front end of your site too much. So even if you create lots of different labels and a product could potentially show more than one, only one will show at a time. And again, that will be determined by the order you have them in. This is like a priority order, and it's the same as a Storewide Sale module. You drag and drop the labels into the priority order you want to have. So that's just a bit of an extra thing, how the product labels module works with our Storewide Sale module. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about how to create a store-wide sale in WooCommerce or about product labels, then just leave a comment down below. And if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more WooCommerce tutorials like this. Thanks again.